Hello, it's Genevieve and I teach illustration here on YouTube. And I got this comment last week, which made me realize that a lot of pretty basic features are just hidden in Procreate. Like, what do you mean there's not just a button to add a drop shadow or outlines or, basic things like that? So we're fixing that today with this new series I call Procreate Loves Hiding Simple Features in Random Places, so I'm finding them for you. Okay, I probably need to workshop that title a little bit, so if you have any suggestions, please let me know in the comments below. Today, we're looking at the Symmetry feature, aka how to draw twice as fast in Procreate. Here's how to find it. On the top left of your screen, tap on this wrench icon here to open the Actions menu, and select the Canvas submenu right here. Then go ahead and activate the Drawing Guide toggle, and tap on Edit Drawing Guide right underneath. Symmetry will be right here on the bottom right. Now this whole interface is a lot more options than that, but they're all just for how the guide shows up. So the opacity, the thickness, and this color bar here on the top that for some reason always gives me so much grief won't affect the drawing itself. It's really, again, just how the guide is displayed. If you're drawing an illustration that is mirrored vertically, then you can leave the Symmetry guide as is, but otherwise you can adjust the position of it by dragging it around with the blue node or rotating it with the green node. You can also go here if you want to completely change the type of symmetry. For example, you could set it to radial if you want to draw some really cool mandalas. And now you're thinking that should be it, but it's Procreate, so it's not. You also need to make sure Drawing Assist is activated on each layer you want to use Symmetry on. For that, go ahead and double tap on the layer to open this hidden layer menu and tap on Drawing Assist right here. Psst. If you want the absolute best result, do not use Symmetry, so turn Drawing Assist off on your shadows and lights layers. You really want to freehand those bad boys because it's going to break the symmetry just enough to make your illustration look way more natural and way less like it was made by AI, because apparently that's yet another thing we have to worry about when we draw now. Now I want to know, what else are you trying to do in Procreate that the app is making extra hard for some reason? Is it drop shadows? Is it outlines? Is it something completely different? Please let me know in the comments because I am determined to go and figure it out for you. In the meantime though, check out this playlist to discover other hidden Procreate features and make sure to subscribe here so you don't miss more tips just like this one. I'll see you in the next video.